Hello students and parents, welcome back to my channel Fun Learning with Shomita. All of you know that not only our country, the whole world is suffering with a dangerous virus, and my mental condition is also not good for this reason. But I hope the upcoming days will be better than today, and please be safe and stay home. This is a beautiful smartphone stand I made with thermocol, and I'm going to show you how I made this smartphone stand with thermocol. So let's get started. So my beautiful smartphone stand is ready now. You can keep two smartphones at a time in it. I hope you liked it. Till now I'm ending my today's video. Let's meet in my next video. Stay safe and stay healthy.